Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to calculate enterprise value based on market capitalization. So to calculate enterprise value we require few few information. The formula for enterprise value is, let me format the table first. Particulars, we want market capitalization of the company. Then from that we are adding total debt, then minority interest, then preferred stock. Then we are deducting cash equivalents. So final answer will be my enterprise value. So we'll see how to calculate enterprise value using market capitalization method. So these are the information required. So let's assume that we want to calculate enterprise value of HDFC Bank Limited. So I am in Screener website, which provides financial extracted financial details of the companies. So you can just copy paste to your Excel. So I am searching here HDFC Bank Limited, scrolling down to get balance sheet data because I want all the cash equivalent, borrowings and all. So I will expand all these values. Then I will copy this entire balance sheet. Then I will Control C, Alt Tab. I will create one new sheet, name it as HDFC raw data, or just mention HDFC. I'll place the cursor here and Control V. Then I will unwrap the text. Then I will select all the columns, adjust the column width. So these are the values. Again, this September 25 is half yearly results. I will delete this column. So I am getting almost 11 years data here. Then since I am having 11 years data, again I want market capitalization as well. So instead of doing another page, I will put it here only, market capitalization. I cannot take equity value because this is a book value. I cannot take equity capital. So market capitalization of last 11 years of HDFC Bank I have to take. So I will go to another website called companies market cap.com. One second. Think company market cap. Oh, sorry, spelling error. Let me remove this address and I will go to, yeah, companiesmarketcap.com. So by default these values will be in dollars. I will go to dollar symbol. I will make it INR. Then I will type HDFC Bank. So I will select this value, close this ad. So you can see the values last, all the market capitalization are in trillions. So I will copy these values for last 11 years, that is 2014. I will not take extra value. Control C and I will scroll down, Control V. So these are my values. Change is not required. Again, if I delete this value, cell formatting will be there. So I will select the empty cell above the change. I will drag it down. Done. But the problem is this screener value, these are in rupees in crores, but the company market capitalization they are in trillions, so they are not in same configuration, so the same involvement, so we have to convert them. So first, again I have to remove this rupee symbol and t because I cannot directly, they are not in numericals. So if I click on any of this cell, They are not, you can see it's showing general and it will, I cannot convert it into numbers. So what I will do, first I will type extract only the numbers. The easy way is to type the required digits from the first cell, then hit Control E. It will extract the similar way. So then I will copy this, I will paste it above this, because anymore I don't want this value, I want only the numbers. But again, I make sure that all are in trillions. Sometimes some value will be in billions. So now all are in trillions. So I will paste it here, but again I have to convert it into rupees. So as you know, 1 billion means 12 zeros. 1 crore means, sorry, 7 zeros. So this is the problem. Just increase the width here. Okay, better I give numbers. That is better. Yeah. So the difference I have to take equal to this divided by this. You can see I'm getting 1 lakh. So that means to convert a trillion into crores, I have to multiply by, 1 lakh rupees. So again, for your understanding, since few of you are from non-commerce students or maybe new to these things, if you again lack of basic math skill also issues here, so I will consider this. I'll give it in more simpler way. They are already in billions, so I will multiply this into, I will convert them into billions. You will get billion value. Then I will divide it by crores. This divided by crores. So ultimately what's happening, you are convert into 1 billion divided by 1 crore. So instead of doing these multiple steps, you can directly multiply them with 1 lakh rupees, that into this value 1 lakh. So we are getting same value here, 16 lakh 45,400. In previous step also we are getting same value, 16 lakh 45,400. So instead of doing this multiple, converting into a trillion, then dividing, converting them to crores, to avoid that, you can directly multiply them with the difference amount, that is 1 lakh. I will drag it here. Second, F33, I will lock it. One second. Windows F4, then double click to drag. So once it is get converted, again controls X and control paste. But wait, one not control X, one second. Yeah, control C, you can copy them and you can again overlap them. Any more 16.454 is not required. So control V, but text only. So these values I got, this value again anymore not required. So twice we are deleting the B column market capitalization values. First we extracted rupee symbol and T symbol, we removed that. Then we converted trillions into crores. Now we can take this value directly to my calculation. So this value calculation also not required. I will erase it. Now, so I want again, you can see 14 to 25, but this is 25 to 14. The order is different. So first I will select these two select values, go to sort and filter smallest to largest. So now we can see they are sorted, but these are in row wise, my data is in column wise. So I will type Control C, right click, paste special, that is transpose. So now these values are in align with my market capitalization. So what I will do, again I will place them here exactly below the value. You can see 14, 15, 16, here also 14, 15, 16. Now I will adjust this one. So this my market capitalization is fixed, right? So little bit of tweaking or formatting is there, quite those are beginner, it may look little bit challenging. So many data cleaning you have to do, or you can find any other website where it is in crores directly available instead of doing this these to avoid these steps. Okay, it's left to you. Next one, we'll go to main format where we have arranged this one. First we'll want year column, so I will go to D2 equal symbol. I will give the cell reference number March 14. Then I will drag until I get March 25. Then market capitalization, which is there at the end of the sheet, just now we calculated. I will give, so this calculation anymore it will be easy. You just like plus minus we have to do. Then again later I will change the column width. Let me give the dynamics cell reference first. Total debt. Total debt I am assuming it as borrowing as the total debt. There is no short term and long term borrowings. I will give it as it is. Then minority interest means non-controlling interest. You can again use the filter and reduce these values whichever is relevant for you, or you can directly give this minority interest cell reference. Then equal to preferred stock. Preferred stocks are not there here, no preferential. I will hit 0. I will drag it towards my right. Then cash equivalent equal to HDFC. Cash equivalent I got 21,495. So I will drag it towards my right. Then enterprise value equal to, but yeah, so before this cash equivalent, I we have to deduct it. So what I will do equal to minus, then I will give this cash equivalent value. So it will be minus 21,495 and drag it towards my right. So I got minus symbol. Why this? Because I can directly apply some formula, because that is the only element to deduct. So better, instead of deducting in the formula, I can directly apply some formula for this. So you can do alt equal also, alt equal auto sum we are getting, and you can drag it towards your right, or you can select all the cell where you want the total, hit alt equal, you will get the value. So just let me adjust the column width so that everything will be visible in single screen. No, it's overlapping. Okay, I will remove the decimal point. One second, I have converted that year column also, so it's showing error. Now again, I will adjust the column. Yes. So you can do the formatting, select all the value which is convert them into table, that is alt OA. When you hit alt OA, there is a format called classic 2 or classic 3. Many formats are there, you can scroll down here, many formats are there. I prefer classic 2, this one, hit OK. So this is my value. Since they are in rupees, so I will select all this value, click on currency and English. Then again I will reduce those decimals. So this is how we can calculate enterprise value. Basic steps it is: market capitalization, total debt, minority interest, preferred stock and cash equivalent using financial statements. Thanks for watching.